Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Queenie Romero de la Cruz. I am 24 years old. I live in Karasukan, Surasingan, Pangasinan, Philippines. I am a high school graduate. I am single. I have one daughter and she is 2 years old. I have work experience as a helper here in the Philippines for 3 years, from January 20, 2019 to August 5, 2022. I serve family of 4, 2 adults and 2 loving children. My madam is 42 years old and my sir is 45 years old. And the first child is 10 years old and the second child is 5 years old. My duties are taking care of the kids, washing the clothes, washing the dishes, ironing, cooking, and marketing. I am an honest person, a hardworking with determination. Please, ma'am, sir, choose me as your helper. I will promise you that I will follow your rules and regulation and I will do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you, ma'am and sir. God bless.